This is the snipping mode. The snipping mode is attached to the camera, which gives you the opportunity of taking a screen picture of various segments of the picture. The first one by default takes a rectangular view of the screen, and the window mode takes the picture of the window you have opened. If I say the window you have opened, when you open any document, this is what I have opened right now. This is called a window. The interface that I have opened, it is called a window. So if I use the window mode to take a picture of the snipping tool, it will take the picture of only the rectangular window that I have opened. We'll try it and you'll see how it works. The full mode takes a picture of the whole screen. The full screen mode takes a picture of the full screen. So like this, as you see on the screen, if I use the full mode, it will take a picture of the full screen, including my desktop. And with the free form is more like in pre-technical skills, we say you are doing a freehand sketching. You can take a picture of any side or any angle of the screen that you want. That is your preference. As we go along, this tab 2, you see more like a clock. This is called the delay snip. The delay snip is mostly more like the number of seconds it has to take the picture. When you click on no delay, once you click on new, it will take the picture at once. When you select 3 seconds delay, it will delay for 3. It will do a countdown to 3 seconds and it will take the picture. In that order, to 5 seconds to 10 seconds, it will take the picture. More like you're using a camera. Mine is set on no delay, more like the default selection.